What's up everyone? So welcome to another video, and in today's video I'll be making a money clicker game. So this is a real quick a gameplay of what it is. So it's basically like you're clicking and you're gonna get like money, and as you can see like right here, when every time you click there's gonna be like a +1 thing over here. So I'll show you how to also do that. So now let's get straight into the tutorial. Let me just save this, and now I'll create a new project, and let's get in with making the coin. So go and paint for a sprite, and use mostly you can use whatever colors you want to use. I'm just gonna use like the yellow and orange because they look good with the money. Alright, so this is, and now grab your text and just write the $sign. And here, let me change the color of this. Oops, to this orange. Alright. Oh, that's still wrong. There we go, the $sign. And now select your arrow and you can make it like big. Oops, that's way too big. So like there is good. And then go to your code. And when green flag is clicked, go to your motions, and you're just gonna wanna put this in the middle. So just do 0 and 0 for this. So boom. That's all we wanna do. And now you're gonna make a backdrop, and just basically you don't have to pretty much do anything. You just have to go over here and type money. So just type in money, and then bring it like right over here. Do like that, and then also put a semicolon right here like that. And now go to your variables, and you're going to be making a variable called the money variable. And then if you go over here and left click, just do the large readout and then put it over here. So that's going to look like good right here. So like that. That'll be your money count. Actually, you can put the coin right over there, so it will not be all the way in the variable. And now you're gonna make a sprite, and this will be like the +1 sprite. So just get the plus and then 1. So that's really easy. You can stretch it out a bit, like just a little bit bigger. And then for this code, you're gonna do go to your events and do when this sprite is clicked, then so like every time this is clicked, you're gonna go to your variables and do change money by 1. And also you're gonna broadcast a message, and this is gonna be called clicked. Oops. So this will be called, I didn't click enter, so click. So this is your click message. And for this, you're gonna do whenever green flag is clicked, you're gonna do hide, and then whenever I receive clicked, forever. Actually, no, forever loop. Just you're gonna do show, and then you're gonna do like a wait 0.001. And just duplicate the hide right here. So you can see now it's actually going a bit way too fast, so you can do like a 0.004. Actually, oh yeah, just so you can do something like that. There you go. So you got it working. And this was a really easy and simple and very quick game, so it didn't take a long time, but that was it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.